Hello everyone. Here I'm going to show you how I made two Christmas ornaments using red truck fabric. The first ornament that I made, I took a piece of paper and I cut a template of a heart. Then I traced that onto a cardboard. I use a Raisin Brands box. And then I had some felt. I traced the heart, the cardboard to the felt. I cut the felt. So after I finish cutting my cardboard and the felt, I have here the fabric. Now I want to see the red truck because I want a piece that you can use or you can see right in the center of the heart. And then I cut the fabric all around of the red truck that I'm going to use. So when I'm done marking the fabric where I'm gonna cut, all I did is I glued the felt to the cardboard. Then I'm gonna take the fabric and I'm gonna place it on top of the felt and see and measure exactly where, because I want it to be right in the middle. I cut any excess fabric, but I left like 2 inches around the heart. That way it's easier when I glue the fabric to the back, which in this case is gonna be the cardboard. So now all you have to do is glue the fabric to the back side of the heart, which is the cardboard. So now you should have 2 pieces of heart. Then I'm gonna take a piece of ribbon, in this case gonna be red, and I'm gonna place that in the middle between the hearts because it's gonna be like a sandwich. This ribbon is the one that we're gonna be using to hang the ornament on the Christmas tree. So when you're done gluing the ribbon, now you're gonna glue both hearts together. So then I took this red and green trim and I glue it to the side of the heart. That way it won't show like the 2 pieces of heart together. It will give it like a more finished look. So I have here this bag of bows. I can't remember exactly where I got them, but as soon as I found out, I'll put it on the description bar below. And all I did is I placed 1 bow on each side of the heart. And then I have here this flag bat beads in the color of gold. I'm gonna glue one to the star on the top of the tree on one of the sides. And then the other flat bag, I'm gonna glue it to one of the headlights on the truck. This is the front side of the ornament. You can see how the red truck is lined, and this is the back side or the other side of the ornament. Now let's go to the second ornament. Here I'm going to use the same fabric. But this ornament I'll use a 3-inch small hoop, embroidery hoop. And also I'm gonna mark which chalk I'm going to use. So I'm gonna use this side of the red chalk, and now I'm gonna mark around, and that's what I'm gonna cut. And I just placed it in between the wood circles, and then I secure the embroidery hoop. Now I took a green ribbon. I think this one is 1/2 inch, and I just glue it to the side of the embroidery hoop. Now I took this red twisted rope and I glue it to the top of the embroidery hoop, going around it just to cover the color of the wood and give it a more Christmas look. I did this twice. Now I have these stickers of gems in the color red, and I just place them on top of the twisted rope just to give it a more sparkly look. Now I took the same flat pad beads in the color gold that I used on the first ornament, and I glue them to the headlights of the truck. And here is the finished ornament. Here are the 2 ornaments. Well guys, hope you like this video. Remember to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Be safe everyone.